completed his works here for house to rent. Well, spruced up bathroom there. Nice modern finish here. Ready for people to come and have a look. Jason has done a reasonable job here, if not an excellent job. Let out here. Finished there. Bath there. Toilet in another section of air there. Cubicle toilet in a basin there. Even a bath in the bedroom here. The roof room there. I think this is probably taken about 6 months to complete. Three bedrooms on this floor. Extension to the kitchen. Down the stairs. Recently put onto the open market. Very well refurbished here. Dining room, lounge, downstairs toilet as you'd expect. There's even a shower downstairs. Great if you've got a few visitors, and a massive new kitchen here. Utility area here. A few extra guests. They've left the switches on here, not sure why. Three Romanians, I think. For a brand new boiler, not sure if it's the Worcester boiler. Looks like a Valiant. Nice kitchen area here. All finished. All ready for a family to rent.